So to use text to speech feature in Clipchamp, don't go to the text, go to the record and create. And right here we have text to speech. Click here and this window will appear. Now first of all, I'm going to type a text. Now I type this text. Now first we can change the language of this speech. We can change the voice actor. We can change the voice style. So first of all, we can click here to preview.
Hi, my name is Faizan. Welcome to my channel.
Now this is a general style. Now if I click here, we can change this to customer service.
Hi, my name is Faizan. Welcome to my channel.
We can change this to maybe sad.
Hi, my name is Faizan. Welcome to my channel.
It's pretty funny. Now we can change this to maybe excited.
Hi, my name is Faizan. Welcome to my channel.
And we can change this to, let's use terrified.
Hi, my name is Faizan. Welcome to my channel.
Now we can also change the pitch. As you can see, we can change this to extra high. So we will get,
Hi, my name is Faizan. Welcome to my channel.
this voice. Now we can also change the language. So if I select this one, maybe Arabic.
Hi, my name is Faizan. Welcome to my channel.
Let's change this to maybe default. And we can change this to Arabic Iraq.
Hi, my name is Faizan. Welcome to my channel.
So as you can see, it also switched the voice actor. We can change this to maybe Kuwait.
Hey, my name is Faizan. Welcome to my channel.
Let's change this to maybe Chinese.
Hi, my name is Faizan. Welcome to my channel.
Let's change this to Dutch.
Hi, my name is Faizan. Welcome to my channel.
And we can change this to maybe French.
My name is Faizan. Welcome to my channel.
So you get the idea, you can use these languages. So we have this Korean.
Hi, my name is Faizan. Welcome to my channel.
And finally, if I scroll down, we have this Turkish.
My name is Faizan. Welcome to my channel.
We can change this to Urdu.
Hi, my name is Welcome to my channel.
Now I'm going to change my language to English United Kingdom, and I'm going to change my voice actor to Ethan. And we have this default setting, and some of the voice don't have voice style. So I'm going to save this to media. And now as you can see guys, we have this media. Now if you hover your mouse onto this voice,
Hi, my name is...
it will preview that voice. Now we can drag and drop this in timeline. Now we can also select this. We can go to the caption and we can generate auto caption. So let's turn on auto caption. We can edit this. So I'm going to correct my name.
Hi, my name is Faizan. Welcome to my channel.
So this is how we can use text to speech feature in Clipchamp.